Step 2, the action plan. This is the tactical response part of the BATNA analysis. And here's where you're going to put a lot of these tactics we've been discussing into action. Corey's second move is to start lining up new suppliers or new counterparties. But she can also explore other options, like changing her business model, where instead of ordering parts and then doing the assembly herself, she might switch to an OEM model, where she hires a factory to make her entire product. If it is too hard for her to find a replacement, she may look at different designs. The action plan part of the BATNA analysis usually involves finding new counterparties, new suppliers, or new clients. But it may include changing the business model, and you may have to make some decisions about whether or not to shut down a production line or shut down a product or a service. The action plan is controlled by your first analysis, by step 1. How much time do you have? If you are looking for a new alternative and phase 1 tells you that you're not going to have any trouble for another 6 months, then you could be very choosy about your new supplier because you're in a power position. If you only have 3 or 4 days worth of material in the warehouse, or only a couple of days worth of cash in the bank, then you may be much more constrained, and you might be in a much weaker position when you go to negotiate with that new counterparty. Part of your action plan is going to be external, and part of your action plan is going to be internal. And if you're looking at cutting costs or changing personnel, then that is part of your internal negotiation.